Welcome back. Now there is a second way to either configure an upsell or downsell page, and that is to use your own page. And in this case, instead of using ThriveCard's page, we're going to use our own custom page. When we do this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the embeddable downsell editor. And we have all the same choices available. We can customize all of the elements inside of the downsell page editor. And of course, all of these same features exist in the upsell page editor. Once we've added all of our elements and we have customized all the elements, what we can then do is click complete. That'll bring us back to this configuration area. And for the sake of this video, we opened up the upsell configuration area to get to this stage. What we're going to do here is we're going to place a URL where we're going to be adding our code. What we're then going to do is to copy the code. We're then going to add the code to our page. And once you embed the HTML, you'll then see the code on your page. You'll then save and publish your page, and you will have then configured your downsell page to use instead of the shopping cart or ThriveCard page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.